So Asta, you're from a defense background. Yeah. Your father was in the army, and like you mentioned, आपके दूर दराज के रिश्तेदारों में भी किसी ने law नहीं पढ़ा था. And not only did you decide to study law, you also decided to get into litigation, which is not very common, especially in women. Yeah. In fact, I have a few lawyer friends, but all of them practice corporate law because that's like a safe place to be in.
True.
So what was your family reaction, and what was the reason that you decided to pursue a career in law?
So it sounds very filmy, but I remember when I was in school, we had these counseling sessions, class 8th, I guess. And the counselor gave us all a set of questions, and then she had like a 5 minutes chat with us, and she told me that basis your question, I think you can be a lawyer. You know, I was very excited. I came home and I told my parents, and they just laughed it out, saying, "Acha, haan, because you talk a lot, na, itna bolti ho, isliye bol diya hoga unhone." And they kind of brushed it aside. But I felt that, you know, whatever she said did make sense. You know, I was interested in rights and duties, you know, which you was studying in civics and all. So I tried researching, you know, asking people or talking to people who knew, who can help me about it. And I just knew that even if I was a science student, law is what I wanted to do. And of course, defense background, you know, nobody in the family had ever been to court. Forget about being a lawyer, you know, koi case bhi nahi tha hamari family mein. So they did not take it very nicely. There were a lot of relatives who told my parents that वैसे इतना बोलती है, law भी करा दिया, अब तो बिल्कुल भी शादी नहीं होएगी. You know, so that was of course the issue that they had. Then when I cleared my college, you know, when I passed out and I joined litigation, it just became worse to the extent that, oh, you know, she's so tall, taller than the natural, you know, the height of women that you have. She's plus size, she talks so much, and she's a lawyer. अब तो भैया मतलब कैंची की तरह ज़बान चलती है, अब तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है इसका, you know. But I think by that time my parents had kind of accepted that this is what she wants to do, and they were okay with giving me my space. Though it took time for them to understand what litigation is and what's the kind of work there is, you know.